In this video, you're going to learn how to write the subnet mask in binary. Now, you probably already learned this, but you just never know in exams what they ask. So I just wanted to make sure you're covered. So for this example, it's very easy to find out how to write the numbers in binary without actually having to figure out anything. So all you do is you find the subnet mask on the chart. So 248. And that just lets you know that there's 5 ones and 3 zeros. So you would just draw 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3, and then you're done. And if you have to fill out these, 255 means 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so forth. I'm not going to count them, just going. And this is how you would write the number in binary. For this example, we will write the subnet mask in binary. You find the subnet mask on the chart. So 224, that's 3 ones and 5 zeros. So that's all you write. 3 ones. 1, 2, 3, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't you forget about this one. That's 8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then of course, 255 means 1. So as you can see, it gets rather messy, so hopefully they won't ask you to do this on the test. But if they do, you are armed and ready because you have your chart that has ones in column 1 and the zeros in column 3. So you're already prepared. You can solve anything.